ultimately, we're going to be making this pillow. So it looks like, and center is right here. That ink point. So let's do the same over here too. Let's double check ourselves. Okay, so I have it on my sewing machine now, or my embroidery machine. Now let's get it in place. Here's my cross your mark. All right, let's go ahead and say go. Oops. We're just gonna skip this down a little bit. So, see if I can see exactly where I'm supposed to be on that top one. And I know that that worked before, so that's really going to do it now. I'm going to see if I've got it straight by putting these side ones in first. This one we're going to do 2 inches. 13 inches, or 16 inches, I said, right? Yeah, 16 inches this way. So that's just about perfect. And I'm going to do it this way. And just taking the edge of the fabric along the edge of the foot. And then we're going to put this one, and everything's face down. So right sides together. There. Good. Still a little fine. Keeping it early. Let's try that. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and reverse it here. Here, I am going to go ahead and flip these at the corner. Because you don't want to have too much bulk in your corners, and I did reinforce all that. So, looking pretty good about that. All right, let's usually get matter, but okay, turn this inside out and see how we did. With your scissors and get your corners really pointed out. But with what we're doing for today, let's just take a look and see. And voila! There is your holiday pillow that everybody is going to think, wow. No, it's going to happen. What then? But I like a lot of overlap. I've gotten made some pillows where I didn't do it far enough, and it